Yo, it's the birthday update in Grillatag. It's the birthday update in Grillatag, and I'm getting on right now. Damn. This was it's really cool. And then you've also got this, and then if I take out these off, these are all. So yeah, guys, there's all the cosmetics in the new update. So let me know in the description and comments what you think of this game. Happy birthday, Lemming. Then we have all these here too. They're all cosmetics. Yo!
Aw, guys! It's not my birthday.
Oh, wait, you're not Lemming.
Oh, yeah, that's right! Grillatag's birthday is soon! Happy birthday, Grillatag!
Happy birthday, Grillatag, bro. Yo, just a new badge. Costs 2,200. And then, of course, we have these new. All of this. And I'm guessing this will be on tomorrow. All the balloons. What, bro? Yo! And this is all different too! Yo! Yo! This is a new map, 100%. This is a new map. Guys, this is definitely a new map. Oh my god, let's go! This is like the beach update, bro. I wasn't here for it, but like... Bro.
But this is only for VIP people only.
Oh, we got TVs on.
This is definitely a new map, guys.
TVs on.
Now let's go to the other maps to see what's going on in them. Oh! Yo, what's up? Training monkeys. That's sick. Yo. Bro.
And that countdown says 119
So cool, so bro.
And if you break that down to an actual date, that date.
So yeah, bro. For some things you need a new like subscription. Costs some money a month, bro. Yo, Lemming. Yo. Bro, this is so. I'm making a YouTube video on the new update.
Why is someone's name yellow, Gabe? Why is someone's name yellow?
Ugh. The Lemming balloon.